2, 1.
Racing the rigid fatty tonight. The other fatty has the blue dough. And that's not too bad for non-carbon wheels and an aluminum frame. Front wheel, 5 pounds, 11 ounces. Head 27.5. Carbon wheel. 5 pounds, 3 ounces. It's gone. Tell everybody what happened.
Too much horsepower, I guess. I've never seen that before.
Oh, it's another thing that I'm broken.
Disintegrated driver. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of drivers. There were only half of them in there. Was your bike making like a lot of noise, Craig?
No, it was not.
What? It was coasting? I can't believe it was coasting for.
Wow, so I got through all those races.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
I just ride stuff and break it.
Good job.
This isn't going to be a good night up this stupid hill.
We're not even on a hill yet. What's wrong with you?
Night Rider's Ramble Grinder. We're lost. Tim,
I'm glad I brought a rope.
the map is upside down. We are screwed. Foxy is doing something. What are you doing?
Foxy made it. Up, up, up we go.
Oh, yeah.
These are easy ups.
Did you hear that, Tim? She said easy.
I say that now.
She said easy. We're going to say that to her going up
Right.
the hill.
The third time up.
Yeah. This is easy, remember?
It's what's going after this, right, Tim?
Continue 0.4 miles on Township Highway 2.
She counts double.
Oh, there's some chick.
I guess we have to park to the left. Boo.
I see you.
How we doing?
I think it's pretty good.
Hurry up, Buzz.
Yeah, you need this one too, guys.
Are you in charge of them?
Yeah.
Yes.
Buzz to the rescue. Hollywood. What are you doing?
Scuba Steve.
What the
I am ready!
Takes all kinds. It's a cast of characters.
For you, Bill.
It's like Looney Tunes.
Yeah.
Except for Mr. Yosemite Sam.
Hey, wow.
I remember the beer, so we got something to do when we don't have lights and we can't ride.
Oh. Was this like sitting on the couch and missing the race Wednesday?
Yeah.
Ah.
Someone had Velcro. Someone had Velcro yoga pants on. Sit on the couch and
Yes, I did.
can't get off.
You got a bat in the cave, and I had Velcro yoga pants on, so there you go.
What are you doing, young man? You looking for drugs?
Not any?
Yeah.
Isn't that a beautiful sunset?
You're a yeah, it is.
I am. I'm a beautiful snowflake. A unique, beautiful snowflake.
You're gonna melt on this race then, that's all that means.
Oh yeah.
What? I gotta trash talk sometimes.
That's right.
She trash talks all the time.
Going to the roller rink?
Got sparklers too.
Hollywood, you're too quiet. Howard, we found you.
Looks more better as a
What's
halo.
up, Howard?
That's just my body. How are you doing?
How you doing, bro?
Good. How you doing?
How's the 29er?
Don't go with you, Howard. Heard you had a mechanical.
Yeah, we're gonna keep trying to
Shocking.
see. Hopefully the tire will stay on.
Oh.
Is Tess coming or what's she doing?
Well, I told her, hey, group pick time. She looked right at me, so she's always late. I told her too.
We've got 2 deputy sheriffs and we've got marshals at intersections. However, we're out in no man's land and a little bit wild west of Ohio. If you see 2 lights coming at you, it's probably not a fight. So be careful, okay?
How we doing?
All right. My handlebars over my head back there.
Oh, you alright? Halfway in. Lost my water bottle. 3. Two laps in, 1 to go. 3 miles to the finish. You can't really see it, but it's rutted out. First lap almost crashed. So second lap was better.
That hurt.
Victories hurt, don't they, Tess? You did it!
Too. I wasn't even planning on it. I was like, this should be fun, you know. Come out and have some beers.
Boom!
Just
Give
have
me some
fun.
love, man! Come on!
That doesn't mean it doesn't hurt. I had to keep riding because it hurt so bad. Like, that's how bad it was. When on the last hill we're going, I was like, oh man. Just like over at like that Funk Bottom, Wild Bill. Just remember, Wild Bill loved me climbing this hill. You know it sucks. So, same thing with that Jeep Trail hill.
Yeah,
Like,
that was awesome.
it's true. How'd you like the Jeep Trail?
She rocks.
Puppet master. Puppet guy.
What's up, dudes?
What's happening, my man?
You have fun?
Oh, it was a great time.
yeah.
Especially
No,
with
I can't see. I can't see him in there. Oh, I see a head. Oh, there. It's like you have no body. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
No more night races with you.
How was your race, man?
Fun?
How was the Jeep kind of trail? Or
That's alright.
did you crash?
Nope.
I did.
We all saw it too.
Well, I got into a rut
almost like
that I
right
couldn't
over
see
the
and
bars.
see my handlebars are twisted.
Dude, he went like right over the bars, and I went like right on top
Since
of
he
him.
crashed, do you take his cow card away?
A fat bike, yeah.
Hey,
Give us your card.
Tess crashes and you don't take her card.
I crash all the time.
Yeah. She doesn't count. She crashes all the time.
That doesn't make any sense.
You're not going anywhere.
That makes
Come back.
no
Give us your card.
sense.
Yes, your sense, not sense.
Makes no sense. You don't get no Brolin right
really?
You crash all the time.
I want to confirm what Buzz said. It was a really flat and fast course.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
It was great.
Really flat. Flat as my.
Second place with a time of 2 hours, 34 minutes, and 38 seconds is Christina Toby.
Yeah! Move!
Second place with a time of 2 hours, 34 minutes, and 38 seconds is Christina
Yeah! Move! Move! Hold that bike. Get
Toby.
up
And
there.
with a time of 2 hours, 22 minutes, and 41 seconds
Come on, Tess.
is Eulalie Grodner.
Yes! Woo!
light him up.
That's Jamie, I think. See if that's Jamie. You're second.
Don't listen to that girl.
Great job, Jamie, coming across the finish line.
Jamie! Good job! Jamie, come here! Come here! Your wife's on the podium. Put them up.
Okay.
Woo! All right. Is it past your bedtime?
Mine? Hell no.